What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I have the Alcatel 7 versus the LG Stylo 4 in a speed test. Who will win? Stay tuned to find out. Alright guys, so we have the LG Stylo 4 on the right and the Alcatel 7 on the left. We're going to go ahead and boot up both of these devices and see which one boots up first. Alright guys, let's go ahead and boot up these devices in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright guys, so the LG Stylo 4 booted up first, and now we have the Alcatel 7 boot up second. Alright guys, so we have 10 different applications on each of these devices. Now we're getting to see which one boots up the applications first. Alright guys, so first application we have right here is the Antutu benchmark in 3, 2, 1, go. It looks like they booted up at the same time. Next we have YouTube in 3, 2, 1, go. They're actually about the same right there, to be honest. Next we have settings in 3, 2, 1, go. Looks like Alcatel 7 got it first. Next we have the camera in 3, 2, 1, go. Looks like Stylo 4 boot that up first. Next we have clock in 3, 2, 1, go. Stylo 4. Next we have the dialer in the actual each of their phones in 3, 2, 1, go. Stylo 4 one. And now we're moving on to games, so it takes a little bit more power, so we're going to see which one actually boots up the game first in 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, so it looks like the Alcatel 7 won. Wow. Next we have Helix Jump in 3, 2, 1, go. LG Stylo 4 beat the Alcatel 7 on that one. Next we actually have the calculator in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so the LG Stylo 4 beat the Alcatel 7 on that one. Last but not least, we have the Play Store in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, LG Stylo 4 won on that one. Alright guys, so the last thing we're going to go ahead and do is do the Antutu benchmark. Now we're going to have the Alcatel 7 versus the LG Stylo 4 in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright guys, so very interesting outcomes right here. Looks like the LG Stylo 4 got a score of 67,562. Now on the other hand, the Alcatel 7 couldn't even finish the test. And I know what you guys are thinking, yo, just let it sit there, let it try to finish. But I've did this over the past hour and a half. I've actually recorded the video over and over again trying to get this to work. I recorded the actual whole video again, not just, I did all of the tests over again. And I couldn't for the life of me get the Alcatel 7 to actually get through the full Antutu benchmark test, so it loses by default. Now on the other hand, the LG Stylo 4 got a score of 67,562, defeating 16% of users. For our CPU, we had a score of 32,967, defeating 23% of users. For GPU, we got a score of 12,209, defeating 10% of users. For our UX score, we got a score of 17,667, defeating 19% of users. And for our MEM score, we got a score of 4,719, defeating 24% of users. So obviously, the LG Stylo 4 wins this one. Honestly, I've used both these devices for a very long time, and I've actually put this through the ropes. So I've done YouTube, I've played games on it, and LG Stylo 4, much better device. Alcatel 7 with that MediaTek processor really didn't help that device. Pretty much shows it right here. I can't even run a benchmark test, so LG Stylo 4 wins. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Also hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.